Hustler.
E-Money back here.
Whitney?
You still don't have
And we're here on a rainy Saturday. We're gonna go attempt to see some garage sales, a couple garage sales, maybe some thrift stores. Come with us and hit that like button. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. And it's raining today in space. E-Money, is it possible to rain in space?
Yes.
It is possible.
Yes. And this is one of the few weekends in space where, yeah, it is raining.
Is it actually able to rain in space, though? Actual space?
True question?
Yeah.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because then it wouldn't be considered rain.
I'm just kidding. All right. Yeah, we're gonna.
The concept of rain requires gravity.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, good point, Emerson. All right, so we're gonna go hit up garage sales today. Whitney still has no name on the channel. It's okay.
It's all right.
It's okay. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, go for it. But we're gonna go try to find some good deals today. Flip it on eBay, you know, local markets, that kind of stuff. And you know, on rainy days, there's really not much you can do. But you know, it's more fun being around everyone else. And you know, we're gonna get some coffee. You know, we're gonna get some tacos today too. So let's get to the first garage sale or the first thrift store. I have no idea what we're gonna find. Oh no, it's raining! E-Money, what the hell do we do now?
I guess we just hit up thrift stores.
Dude, we're already on our contingency plan and we're just like one exit from my house. What happens if the contingency plan fails, E-Money?
Thrift store mode, always.
Okay. What if that fails?
I mean, just have fun.
What the hell?
Grab Dopios.
What the hell are we supposed to have fun with? We're supposed to make money.
Thrift store mode fails, then we start hopping on to Let Go, OfferUp, and Craigslist and just scour all the deals.
Good point, E-Money. Good point. All right, that's our contingency plan B. All right, good. We got it now.
You mean C?
No, A is the one we're on now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then B
So
would be
it
the
would
next
be
one.
C.
It would be B.
No, B is thrift stores.
That's the one we're on now.
Oh.
I think we're in luck. I see some garage sale signs. I mean, actual signs, so that's a really good sign. Haha. Look, see? It says this way. All right, let's do it. Let's see.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth for real. Garage sale number 1 is actually in a garage. E-Money is all pumped up. Let's see if we can find something here. Don't know if we can find anything here, but we'll check it out. Oh, you can't even see it through my thing. Hold on. There's garage sale number 1. You can barely see it. All right, we didn't find anything there, so we're gonna go to the next garage sale. And it is definitely raining now, but we're gonna go head over to some other ones and we'll show you what we find from those. All right, came up on a garage sale right here. How much? $2? How much you sell it for?
I don't know, I gotta look it up, but I know.
Why would you buy it if you have to look it
The
up?
last one sold this exact one.
How much?
I think it was, I don't remember. I've sold so many bats that I don't remember.
How much you think?
I don't know. I had to look
Come on, E-Money.
I had to look it up.
Why are you blind buying things you have no idea what it'll sell for? What do you think, 30, 50, 100?
I don't remember.
Oh my God. E-Money. I'm getting frustrated. Let's get out of here. All right, this garage sale right down here, right behind there, basically. $3, this thing. Steel belted Coleman cooler. These things are golden for the antique booth. I'll be asking. This one's in good condition, a couple little things, but it's really impossible not to find dings on them. When you do get these coolers, one of the main things you want to check out is open them up, make sure there's no cracks, especially on this like inside part right here on the lid. Outside of that, this one's in really good condition. They're always all going to have some scuffs and dings and a little bit of rust, but if you have a booth or something like that, even local selling, people want these things. This one I'm going to ask around 60 in the booth.
60?
Yeah, this one.
But it's gonna sell at what?
It's a vintage one. What's up?
But it's gonna sell at what?
This is
540.
No, it'll sell at 60. This is all day. I can't keep these in the booth. We never keep these in the booth. Anyways, next garage sale.
Doesn't he look like Billy Mays?
Who's Billy Mays?
Oh man, those things are fucking
good booth gold.
Hey, I just asked your subscribers if you look like Billy Mays.
Do I?
You kind of look like it. And then when he's like, who's Billy Mays?
Billy Mays. All right, rainy steals and deals being found over here. Come check it out. We have something that Whitney found, a $5 suede, or actually, I guess suede with leather.
Suede. Yeah.
Wow, Polo Ralph Lauren jacket, plaid interior. We have a Score vest. I don't know if this is down or whatever, but this is nice. Perfect for the booth, $5. Detachable sleeves, I think, too. Look at that. Sick. That thing's awesome. And then, look at this, $25 right here. We paid $30 for everything, by the way, but $25 of the deal was right here. And this is an off-road jack. Don't know the manufacturer of it, but it's probably right here. Anyways, doesn't really matter. You see these things on Jeeps, FJs, whatever. Try to sell this thing locally. I might keep it, I don't know. Might put it on the rack right here. Still, super steel right here. Okay, so for the jack, more than likely 80 to 100 sale locally. For the suede or whatever leather polo jacket, that's a TBD. Gotta research that one. You never know if the leather's gonna be some sort of exotic. It's not an exotic, but you never know if it's gonna be like maybe kangaroo or something like that. It's nice. It's not quite suede, and it's not quite, it's like a different.
I'm sure it says it on the tag.
Okay, we'll figure that out. Anyways, and then that one probably be, I don't know, my guess 80 to 100 as well. And then that last Score jacket, probably 30 bucks, 40 bucks in my booth. So not too bad. Let's find some more deals. So there was a garage sale right there.
What?
E-Money just found this thing. Gosh, that's great. Let me see that. Let me see that thing.
It's Wanu. It's a cranium type game, but it was sealed up.
So you scan it and let me see. Gosh, $47 like out of nowhere right there.
It's
Boom.
super good rank too.
And you got a cool alpaca.
I found.
Yeah, I don't have this material yet, so I'm probably gonna keep this one.
That's alpaca fleece.
Yeah.
Cool. How much? $3?
$3 total.
You could have sold it for 40, 50, just so you know. So is it worth it? Would you buy that right now for 40 or 50 bucks?
No, but
Well, then you need to sell it.
I'm not going to.
E-Money, you don't get the basic concept of reselling here. That was a good hustle right there. All right, this day of cheddar calls for some new coffee. We have never been here. I've been to the Epoch Coffee House, Epic, whatever. I used to study there for my MBA program, and this is like a third location. Let's see what kind of coffee they have today, or espresso. I'm pumped. Well, we found some good stuff for being a crappy day. Oh, that is the heaviest door on earth. This place is super cool. I like this. I like these. Oh yeah, there's a downstairs. I like this table. I want this in my house.
What else? Sorry,
All right, so we got our dopios here from Epoch Coffee. Is it Epic or Epoch?
It is
Epic, right?
I think it's Epoch.
Epoch, whatever. Okay, it could be, I don't know. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it out. Dopios from Epoch.
See, that one's really good. Yep, I'm waiting for it. Here it comes. Here comes the third one.
Dude, this is a good dopio. Yeah. It's not the best, but it is damn good.
There. You want to know why?
Oh,
It's that Ritual coffee I told you about.
this is they're messing with Ritual coffee beans here, which we've had Ritual for the first time in California. At the Little Italy market.
Dude, that's a 4.
At a Little Italy market, and it was really good. So they have Ritual coffee here. If you're liking the videos, hit the like button right now, and we'll try to make some more money. I think I feel like jacking my truck up right now for no freaking reason. I don't have a jack.
You would.
Let's do it. Let's
Go
just
ahead.
jack it up. Let's
Do
just
it.
change a tire. E-Money, you want to change a tire with me?
Right here.
Shut up, E-Money. I gotta make money. I have to make money, E-Money.
We're here at the automotive coffee shop.
Oh yeah, it is an old automotive place too, this coffee shop. All right, Whitney found some algae on the ground.
Babe.
That's pretty nice. Wow, a heart. That's original. Is it a one-on? What is it, babe?
Matcha latte.
What is it?
What do you mean?
What does it taste like? You have to have a.
Good.
Is it a ah or no ah? What is it?
It's a
All right, there's a garage sale back here. We're in a completely different neighborhood, and we found some really good stuff. All right, so we found some firewood. I think I spent 30 bucks.
It's a fry bag.
Yeah, I spent 30 bucks and I got all this. There's a fry bag in there, which is sick. Got this Flash 18, which is a very popular REI pack. Got this Kong dog leash. May as well have it. And we also got a brand new tent right here, which is a Kelty, whatever this is right here. So
She said it wasn't a tent.
it is a tent. It's a Yellowstone 6-person tent. This was part of the $30 deal. It's brand new. Just sat in a garage a bunch. Got firewood. When you spend 40 bucks on some random stuff for the house and some artwork, E-Money, you got some artwork, right?
Yeah, I just got 2 things.
Yeah, so basically, like, you know, the real money makers right here is this fry bag that'll probably sell for around 100, maybe more. And then we have this tent, which will probably sell for 100 or more. This Flash 18 right here is a really awesome pack to have for festivals and stuff. It'll probably sell for around 20, maybe 30 bucks. Probably just gonna keep this because it's a really nice, like, travel pack. So yeah, finally a lot of good stuff at this garage sale. E-Money, you got artwork deals. Artwork deals. We got camping deals too. Camping. Let's go find one more, maybe 2 more.
What are you doing?
All right, so we went. This is probably our last garage sale, one of the last ones. We bought a lot of stuff here. There's how much did you spend on that Nerf thing? 20 bucks for a bin entirely full of Nerf guns. I mean, all the way full. And then we have a Wii to pick up. There's a Wii that we bought. We bought 4 Himalayan salt lamps. The Wii will sell locally for around 50 bucks. The salt lamps we're gonna keep. How much you spend on everything? 50 bucks. And look at this tub of Nerf guns. You have to see this thing. It's humongous. Come on, bring it up here. Bring it up. Come on. There's a Macedon in there, huh?
Oh my god.
It's huge.
It's like bigger than both of you guys.
All right.
Is it gonna fit in the car?
I hope so.
Oh yeah.
I should have seen what kind of train that was, by the way. God, I cannot rest on my back window, so. Rain's coming down now. I am really pumped up that we did really well today. I was not expecting for the day to be like this. Whitney kind of joked earlier that we didn't even make it to our plan B or whatever plan.
Plan A.
Plan A, which was thrift stores, you know. But yeah, we're really surprised. We're really glad we went out. I think it's a good learning experience that, you know, even if it's raining just a little bit, like get out there and, you know, wake up early and make some money. So definitely money to be made today. We all made it to TLP, which is good. And now we're gonna go get the tacos. So we'll be at Taco Deli in 1 second. We'll see you in a bit. All right, it's raining like a mofo, kind of mofo-ish. But we're here at Taco Deli. There's a line out the door, kind of out the door, sort of out the door.
We'll be out the door.
We're gonna get some tacos. I'm pumped. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Not really. Then I'll eat.
But I'll eat. There are a lot of people here. The line is out the door now. We got some tacos coming. I'm really pumped up. All right, got some pretty basic tacos today. Really pumped up. Looks good. All right, we're gonna dig in. This is what TLP looks like. So here we go. Yes. Just got everything out of the truck. Thought it was a really good day. Smash the like button and hook me up with a comment. What did you guys think of the day? I didn't think it was going to turn around like this. Man, I'm so glad I went out. But anyways, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.